everyone. So I think I'm finally brave enough and I'm going to show you how I use the bowl method and how I hydrate my hair. So yeah, let's do it. I'm not wearing any fancy clothes or anything because obviously I'm just going to show you the method. So this is just my house t-shirt, and I washed my hair with the Cantu cleansing shampoo first, but it's because I was due to clarifying and I had quite a big build up, so I properly scrubbed it, massaged it into my scalp, and now I'm just ready to use the daily conditioner. And I'm going to show you how I usually do the bowl method. So you want to make sure that you put it all over your hair, and I'm going to use the praying hands method. Then I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'll just start squishing to condition it. So what I'm going to do, so I wash the hair so it's not, it kind of dries quickly, because I don't know, it's still, my hair is not, it's quite fine, so I think that's why I was like, it's drying quite quickly. So I'm gonna put roughly this amount, and that's how I apply the conditioner, kind of like all over it, here and there. I feel a bit shy now because I realized that I always make the videos with like already, you know, quite a nice hair, and now everyone sees that it's not perfect, but then what is? So I added a bit more. Right. It's still wet. Right. I'll just pause the video for like a minute, and then I'll show you, the rest. Right, let's do it. So first, obviously I already have the conditioner in, but you have to pour water over it. And you need to hear that sound, the squishing sound. Squish to condition. Right. Try to do it a bit more. You hear that? Squishing all over the hair. And then obviously you've got more water here, so don't worry, you can just literally pour, you can even put the hair there, because you still have a nice conditioner there, and keep squishing. That's how you're going to also save water in your houses. And I find my hair is definitely more hydrated using the bowl method than just applying it in the shower and then just rinse it out. I think I don't know, my hair just really likes it. So what I usually do, I just like, it's gonna be messy, it's gonna be so messy. Oh, right. So see, there's still a bit of conditioner there, so you just pour more. Nice, and keep squishing. You hear that sound? That's good. That is the sound that you're supposed to hear, so I'm happy about it. I don't know how it's going to come out, because obviously I've never done it this way. I've never like try to video it, but I think it's coming on nice. I think it's still, I see that I still have a bit of hair. Right. Nice, keep squishing. Right. Yeah, I think it looks quite nice. So the next step is to use a gel, and I think it's quite nice to use the gel also while doing the bowl method. Right, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate the hair like that. And I'm gonna use, oh my gosh, I took the deep conditioning instead of the gel, so just bear with me. I got the right one. So I'm gonna be using this Spiralicious by Jessie Curl, and so I'm just gonna part the hair like that. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna add some gel straight into the wet hair, roughly about this amount. Again, first praying hands here, there, partly, yeah, and that's the sound you want to hear again, you know, squishing. That's the good one, yeah. I have no idea what the outcome's going to be, but let's see. I think the curls are coming out quite nicely. Can't really see that much frizz, so that's quite good. Yeah. I usually don't use that many products because I've got quite fine hair, and I find that, for example, mousse just weighs my hair down. So I'm using gel or sometimes confident coils as well, and yeah, it depends on what I feel like my hair needs. But I feel like that should be enough. It's kind of like, it's nice and soft, and I'm just gonna use the, all right, last thing, towel. Right, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna air dry first, so I would say I'll just leave it like that for like an hour, and then I'm gonna diffuse the rest and I'll show you the outcome, so fingers crossed. So I think the curls turned out pretty well. I'm actually loving it. I think it's really nice. It's quite shiny. It's not frizzy, so that's great. I personally think that I still have to work on the volume, but other than that, let me know your thoughts. Like it or dislike it, and if you can subscribe to my channel, that would be great, and I'll be back in 2 weeks again. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye.